know what time it is?
Hello, hola, and bonjour, PBMA families. This is Miss Solorzano with your weekly update for the week of October 17th, 2025. We've got so many exciting events happening this month, so let's dive right in. A big thank you to all of our sharks who came out to skate night. It was such a great time filled with smiles and laughter and school spirit. We love seeing our students, families, and staff having fun together and showing off their shark pride on the rink. Picture Day for both the elementary and secondary campus will take place on Wednesday, October 22nd. Students should come to school wearing their PBMA uniforms and bring their brightest smiles for their official photos. That same day, we will be celebrating Unity Day, a national event in honor of Bullying Prevention Month. After photos are taken, students are welcome to change into an orange shirt to show support or wear orange accessories such as bows, bracelets, socks, ribbons. Thank you for helping us make this day both picture perfect and full of unity. We've got 2 exciting Spirit Weeks coming up at PBMA from October 27th through the 31st. At the elementary campus, students will be celebrating Red Ribbon Week, a special week focused on making healthy choices and living a drug-free lifestyle. Get ready for fun Spirit Days that show shark pride. Over at the secondary campus, it's Halloween Spirit Week. Students will get to dress up for creative theme days, show off their school spirit, and enjoy some spooky fun all week long. Make sure to check your email for more information. There's a flyer for each campus that lists all the theme days so you can start planning your outfits early. We can't wait to see everyone's creativity and shark spirit. Here is a message from our elementary campus Single School Culture Coordinator, Ms. Costello, also known as Coach C. Ahoy, sharks! The treasure chest has arrived. A big thank you to the Brown and Rienemann families, that's Emma, Trevor, and Tanner, for filling the treasure box with awesome goodies. We've got slime, glow balls, Barbies, G.I. Joes, baseball cards, trucks, and more. If Coach C catches you being kind, doing the right thing, or being a standout student, you'll get a gold coin. Bring your gold coin to room 55 to claim your treasure. Our elementary school store fundraiser is still going strong. Families, don't forget to check your child's backpack for their fundraiser lanyard. By joining in, students can earn fun prizes just for helping out. Once your child returns their completed lanyard to their teacher, they'll receive their very first prize. Our elementary campus fall book fair is coming soon. It will take place November 10th through November 14th from 8:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Our parent book fair night will be on Thursday, November 13th from 3:30 to 6 p.m. It's the perfect time for families to stop by, shop together, and find some fantastic new books. We're also looking for some volunteers to help during the book fair. Volunteers can sign up for one or more sessions. These are the sessions for volunteers. Session 1 from 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and Session 2, 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. For the parent night session, it will be from 3:30 to 6 p.m. If you'd like to assist, please reach out to me, Mrs. Solorzano, by sending me an email through Jupiter. And PBMA is proud to support New Worlds Reading, a free literacy program that sends books right to your home each month through 5th grade. To see if your child qualifies, swim on over to newworldsreading.com. Join us for Family Fun Night. PBMA and New Worlds Reading invite our elementary campus families to a Family Fun Night on Thursday, November 13th at 5 p.m. Enjoy an evening of reading games, activities, dinner, and free books. Register by November 6th using the QR code sent home. And here are some elementary campus highlights. The Rotary Club of downtown Boca Raton visited our 3rd grade classrooms. They gifted the students beautiful dictionaries and spent about 20 minutes in each classroom showing the students how to use them. The students truly appreciated their gifts and were so excited to discover all the fascinating facts contained in the book. A big thank you to the Rotary Club of Boca Raton for their generosity and support of literacy at PBMA. We also enjoyed 2 wonderful in-school field trips this week. Florida Power and Light presented a show called Wattage, a fun and educational STEM-focused performance all about electricity, energy, and renewable resources for our 1st and 2nd graders. Our 3rd and 4th graders experienced Kravis on the Road and Called It Macaroni, a creative and engaging performance about the Revolutionary War. Both shows were fantastic learning experiences. A big thank you to Florida Power and Light and Kravis on the Road for bringing these exciting programs to PBMA. In Ms. Hepburn's class, scholars engaged in an exploration of the basic needs of living organisms, focusing on what is essential for survival and growth. As part of this hands-on learning experience, students planted seeds and will continue to observe their growth and changes over time. Ms. Doda's 3rd grade class dove into science this week with an exciting hands-on experiment. They explored how each part of the plant helps it grow and survive from the roots to the leaves. It was a fun and educational way to see science come to life in the classroom. Hey families, let's come check out Miss Melissa's kindergarten class. Hello. Hi, Miss Dormilis.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm good. It's so good to have you in our class.
Thank you for having us. We're excited to be here.
So this week we are learning about 2D shapes. And of course, literacy is not done in isolation. So what you're going to see today, you're going to see us using literacy. We're using through reading and math and also art. We are teaching the concepts because it really helps it to stick, and also it's super fun for the kids.
Awesome.
Okay, so we have a teacher table right here. Ooh. Where they're reading a book about shapes, and then they're going to get to use manipulatives. They're going to get to use manipulatives to combine shapes to create new ones.
Wow.
Okay? So they're tracing, using their fine motor skills to trace the shapes.
Wow.
And then we have a 3rd group that is working on an art project. They are doing a shapes collage.
Oh, wow.
So they're using their creativity and also deepening their knowledge and their understanding of the 2D shapes.
Wow, so the
Okay.
students are working in 3 separate groups right now. A group that's working on their math and shape skills and reading. That's really great cross-curricular work, boys and girls. And an art project table. That's so cool. So boys and girls, who can talk to us about shapes?
Well, let's show off the little bit that we know so far.
Yes,
Let's see.
let's do that.
All right, all eyes on me. Calm body, please. Okay, so these are some 2D shapes we've been working on. What is this shape, class? It's called a circle. Does it have any sides? Does it have any vertices or corners? Show her the sides of the triangle. We said the triangle has 3 sides. Can you, with your fingers, trace the 3 sides? Go ahead. 1, 2, and 3. 10-figure woohoo for Antonio. Woohoo! That was so awesome. Okay, then we have another shape here. Who can tell me what this shape is called? What is it again? It has 4 equal sides, so it's called what? A square. You'll get another chance, Nahiba. It's okay to make a mistake. Okay, does a square have sides? Yes. And Nahiba, can you tell me how many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides did you? That's very good. See, she revised her thinking. She got it wrong the first time, and she tried again, and she did it. 10-figure woohoo for Nahiba. Woohoo! There's one more shape left. One more shape. Oh, look at this one.
A rectangle.
It's a rectangle. What is it?
A rectangle.
How many sides does the rectangle have? 4. Camilla, can you come show me, please? Come show me the 4 sides of the rectangle. Use your fingers to trace it.
There's the rectangle.
Right here.
Where are the
trace
sides?
the sides. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10-figure woohoo for Camilla.
Woo! And I have a question. Which one's your favorite shape?
Triangle.
I hear triangle. Another triangle. Which one do you like? Circle. Which one do you like? Circle. Great job, boys and girls. See you next time.
See you next time. Thank you.
And here are some secondary campus highlights. On this week's episode of The Wave Makers, we've got tons of shark spirit coming your way. This showed off amazing shark pride at this week's pep rally. The cheerleaders brought the energy, the crowd was loud, and Sharky made a special appearance to get everybody pumped up. To honor Hispanic Heritage Month, classrooms also took part in a door decorating contest, showcasing the beauty and diversity of Hispanic culture through creative designs, colorful flags, and meaningful messages. Be sure to watch the full episode on YouTube to catch every moment of the action. And now it's time for Mrs. Short's Classroom Feature of the Week.
Hi PBMA, it's Mrs. Short. This week on our secondary campus feature of the week, we are going to go into Mr. Jackson's art room. They're doing some Picasso drawings. Let's come check it out. Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Short and we are here with Mr. Jacks. His art students are doing some amazing impressionist art. They're drawing each other using a Picasso style. Mr. Jacks, can you tell us a little bit about the test subjects and what they're working on?
Yes, they're actually using each other as the subject matter and they're having fun with this. They're putting eyes in different locations to make sure that they're having fun and doing the impressionist style.
Thank you, Mr. Jacks. Bye, everybody.
Coach Storkel here with playoff updates. Boys flag football lost a heartbreaker in their championship game on Tuesday, 20-19 against Somerset DBK. It was a hard-fought game for all 4 quarters, and the Sharks fought until the very end. The Sharks finished their season 11-2 and are officially the second-place team in the Charter School League. Go Sharks!
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. Goodbye, adios, and au revoir.